Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and this is Roy. So today I'm in this amazing cafe which is the Corner Cafe. Everyone in this Guwahati has heard this cafe. It is already very famous and I'm just making it more famous. And so I'm in this cafe with one of my friend and I'm meeting her after like 4 long years. And we are here to have some food and some snacks. And so I will also be showing you the interior of this cafe and the ambience, and I will be also reviewing the food, the presentation and everything. So yeah, without further talking, let me take you through the cafe.
I don't know what you want. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you
So there is also upstairs sitting arrangement. So let's go and check it out. Wow, here's a nice painting. Look at the lights. And this is my friend. Say hi. She is a bit shy, so yeah. So this is our table, and our food has already arrived, and this looks really amazing. Wow, I can smell it. It smells really good. So yeah, this is the pork fried rice. No, so this is the chicken fried rice, right?
One garlic noodles,
Yeah, and this is the burnt garlic noodles.
chicken okay.
And this is the chicken manchurian with lots of gravy. Even the presentation looks so amazing. And what we have here, what's this? It's a pepper crusher, right? And this is the salt, of course. So my friend here is serving us the food. What did you serve?
Chicken fried rice.
Okay. Oh.
Shall we eat now, please?
Yeah, we shall eat. So our food is served, and so I think we should eat before it gets cold. So now my friend has served us the chicken fried rice and the chicken manchurian. And I'm going to eat it, and I'm going to review. रेटिंग बहुत ही अच्छा है. सो अभी चिकन मंचूरियन टेस्ट करते हैं. ये भी बहुत अच्छा है. बहुत अच्छा है सच में. लाइक स्मेल भी बहुत अच्छा है, इवन टेस्ट भी बहुत अच्छा है और प्रेजेंटेशन भी काफ़ी अच्छा है. सो चलिए बाकी आइटम्स को भी खाते हैं और मैं थोड़ी देर बाद रिव्यू करूँगा. पहले मैं ये खा लेता हूँ, उसके बाद. हाँ. सो दिस इज आवर pork ribs and ये तो it smells really nice. Yeah, so now I'm going to eat it again. About
আছে তুমি খোৱা খোৱা খোৱা
বহুত দিন তেনেকৈ ব্লগ কৰি অফাৰটো থাকিলে ফটো লৈছিলে ন ফটো লৈছিলে
টেষ্টি
কোৱা
এবাৰে সেইটো ৰিয়েকশ্যন আহে
So I think the mashed potato might not be that good, but the garlic bread was really good.
টেষ্টি
Yeah. Okay. ভালেই আহিছে কিন্তু So I will take some noodles. I can see mushrooms and lots of chicken and even dry chili roast. It's burned actually because you are not burned garlic roast. So let's eat. Nice, really nice. Even this smells good, taste is good, even the presentation is also good. So now I will just continue eating, and after I am done, then I will talk to you guys. Now we are done with our lunch. The food was really amazing, and even the interior of this cafe is nice, and overall it's good. We did really enjoy by coming to this cafe. So thank you for watching, and please do subscribe the channel.